Jessica, here I am.
Welcome to Virtual Nomads. We're serving you lifestyle and inspiration through travel. And today I am at the Hotel X, which is in Toronto, and I'm doing a hotel tour of all of their rooms. And you're going to join me in their rooms. It is a great location. It's very central to the downtown Toronto, especially if you want to have if you want to be close to the Toronto Stadium, especially for the World Cup. You can literally see it. If you have that kind of view, you can literally walk over there or take a quick Uber ride as well. So you're going to join me on the tour and let me know what you think of this hotel today. You're invited. So this is the outside of the exhibition grounds at night. It's very quiet because it's located on the exhibition grounds. This is the hotel lobby. You can see. Hello, welcome. So I am at the lobby, and this is the lobby for the Hotel X. As you can see, there is an upstairs. As you can see, there's an upstairs as well too. Yes, there's an upstairs as well. And it's really, really relaxing. A great place. As you can see, we have a lounge area behind me as well. Big thank you to Travel Massive for continuously supporting us creators, especially during the World Cup season. I really enjoyed the atmosphere, the ambiance, and I really, really appreciate the time.
Jasmine. This partnership came out of conversations about FIFA World Cup, which is coming up, and we've been thinking about how we can support you through that in our own way. And a part of it is also showing.
This is the washroom. Okay, this is a double room as well. This is the view of Toronto. As you can see, the BMO field. And as you are watching this video is January 2026. I believe that is where the Toronto Stadium, the World Cup is going to be playing. So you have an excellent view here. Then you also have space. So this is the washroom. Here is the washroom. This is one of the rooms. All right, this is another room. Take a look at the washroom. Hello. All right. So this is the studio suite. Great for families. Take a look at that. Wow. Let's take a look over here. Let's see what's behind here. Oh, here is the washroom. Look at that. Look at all that space. And even once again, a good view. A really, really good view. Look at this. Is beautiful. Look at this view. Look at this location. All right, let's see what else they have. Okay, this is not a bad room too. This looks like a basic room. Okay, let's look at the other rooms that they have. So this one, look at this. This looks like a great room for groups and for families. Wow. Okay. Oh, this is great for families. Look at this. Okay, this one you got a living room. And even though the back is pitch black, it's actually the view of the Lake Ontario. And I'm pretty sure you get it. Yes, I'm pretty sure you can't see because it's dark. You have an excellent view of the CN Tower. Only you can see it. It's a good location. Okay, this is the queen bedroom. Ooh, the view is nice. Okay, this is the washroom. Okay, you got a little hot tub, like a little tub, bathtub. And let's see the other room. This is basic. That's nice. Get a little living room, and then that can be the main room. Okay, this is the room to the presidential suite. Look at this. Here's the kitchen. Okay, this is the balcony. And this is the presidential suite. Look at this. So this is the lower half of the presidential suites. Look at this. This is the kitchen.
No idea. The fridge is actually hidden right here.
So this is their event center. Thank you. What?
So there's a door there, but it's to the street.
Okay.
So you can't really do anything with that.
From here, by walking distance to the Toronto Stadium, how?
Like Toronto meaning like BMO Stadium?
Yeah, BMO Stadium.
Like right there.
What's the walking distance? Like 5 minutes?
Yeah, probably
Okay.
5 minutes.
Perfect.
We're right there, yeah.
Okay.
Isn't there a Starbucks on this floor? We have Rosa Social. It's a North American cuisine restaurant, and then we have Cafe X, which is for your daily coffees and delis.
Awesome. Thank you.
Almond Rosa is amazing.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Have a good lunch, guys.
So we are entering the cinema room.
Now, it's a 56 feet screen room. We can turn off the lights completely.
Right, we are in the rooftop. As you can see, we have a great view of the city, but we have an indoor pool. And right over here, we have an outdoor pool. Okay.
For the toast, would you like to have?
Thank you so much. So that was a tour of Hotel X. A few things I wanted to share in terms of getting to the hotel from the airport. From Pearson Airport is about 20-25 minutes by car. There is a airport in the downtown Toronto called Billy Bishop Airport, and it's very, very close. In my personal opinion, you can walk, but I would say it's like about a 7 to 10 minute car ride. Book your next travel with Virtual Nomads. Thank you so much for following my room tour. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.